this morning at the hangar, going for a flight to the fog. And there we have elephants visiting. Or you know you are a bush pilot when you've got animals on your airstrip. They've been breaking our trees all around.
If there's one thing that the Peace Parks team understands, it's the unpredictability of working in nature. A simple landing, for example, becomes significantly more complicated when an elephant is taking a stroll across the runway. Luckily, Hannes is an experienced bush pilot and knows just how to get the gentle giant to move along.